Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Ivan. I'm gonna be showing you how to create microblading medical forms for your business. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how to customize those medical forms with your own logo for branding. In this case, it is gonna be based on using a Mac computer with Photoshop and Microsoft Office. This is a more advanced video. I will be creating other videos showing you on how to do it with a Windows computer. And we'll be showing you how to do it as well with just an internet browser, a website. So don't worry about it if you are not subscribed or you don't have this software. In case you don't have it and you actually want to get the software, I'm actually going to be linking all that information on the comments or actually on the description below, so you guys can follow step by step my instructions. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing, you are going to need Microsoft Office. In this case, I have already created the form for your customer. So pretty much it covers the medical release, the questionnaire about their medical history, and a photography release form. Okay, so it's actually 4 pages here that we have. Once you have created your form, and I'll be more than happy to share this with you guys, or you might already have it, or you might be able to find other forms online that you can just edit and change it and put your own name here somewhere. But again, I'm going to be showing you how to put your logo here. So once you have this created, what you want to do, you're going to click File. You're actually going to actually save it. Actually save as, and you're going to put it on the desktop somewhere where it's easy for you to find. You're going to click and save it as PDF. And you can rename it whatever you want. At this point, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna create form 1 or something, form 1. And you're gonna make sure, again, you save it as PDF. Export. And I'm gonna minimize this. As you guys can see, the form is right here and it's a PDF. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna right click it and open with Adobe Photoshop. That's one way to do it. So it's actually going to pull up this little page, as you guys can see. So again, the command key, you leave it pressed, and you're actually going to select one at a time. And as you guys can see, it's being highlighted in blue. Okay, you press OK, and it's going to pull up all the forms in different tabs, different pages. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the first page, and at this point, what you wanna do, you want to grab your your PNG file for your logo. So PNG is just a format that has a clear background for your logo. So that's what you should have it as. If it's not on PNG, don't worry about it. JPEG would be fine too, which is a standard image file. So what are you gonna do? You are gonna drag it, and you are gonna place it whatever you want. You can put it on top, you can put it on the left, you can put it in the middle, and you guys can drag and make it smaller or bigger. It's gonna be up to you how big or how small you want it. In my case, what I did, I actually I put it right in the middle. I made it a little bit bigger. Now, if you guys can see on the right side, there are two different layers, right? So what do you want to do? You want to put your layer, your logo layer, on the bottom. Okay. So you gotta do is just click and drag, and then under opacity, what you want to do? You want to put it at maybe at 45-50% is good. So when you print it out, your logo is not too bright for your texting. So you want to put it on, I'm going to put it at 50%. Okay, so one is done. Second, third, and fourth are empty yet. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take this, make sure you highlight it, you click copy, second form, paste special in place. We're gonna do the same thing with the other one, paste special in place. Same thing with the fourth, edit, paste special in place. As you guys can see, now we have the logo in all of our forms. Now you guys can see how you have this little squares. That means that it's clear. At this point, you guys can add another layer on the bottom if you guys want to change the color, because once we save it, by default it's gonna be white. I mean, that's totally up to you. I personally just wanna have it as white, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. So I'm gonna be saving one image at a time. So I'm gonna go to File, Save As, and you're gonna select JPEG, okay? And you're gonna put it somewhere on your desktop, somewhere where it's easy for you to find. So we're gonna name this whatever you want. Again, at this point, the naming, it doesn't matter, but just make sure that you do it 1 through 4 or however many pages you have. So 1, you gotta select that as a maximum, so it's the highest quality your image can be. Same thing with the second, save. I'm gonna name it number 2. Oops, number 2. Make sure you select as JPEG, save, okay. 3, save, 3, save, okay. Number 4, the last one, so we're gonna save as JPEG, rename it 4, click save, okay, click OK. Now we're gonna minimize this, and it should be on your desktop, as you guys can see right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna open 1 through 4, double click, and it should open up on a Mac a program called Preview. Now you guys can see how it was clear background. With the JPEG, it automatically converts that to a white background. Okay, so you guys can see the branding of your logo. So again, we're gonna select here, we're gonna convert now JPEG to PDF. So that's what you want to convert for files. So you're gonna select Command A on your keyboard, is gonna select all of them. Again, Command and the letter A, and you're gonna click on File. You're gonna click on Print. You're gonna click on the bottom left, it says PDF. Okay, save as PDF. Okay, now at this point, make sure that you select your final destination or where you want the file to be. So I'm gonna put it on the desktop. And now this is where the naming of your file matters. So you're gonna select a good name for it. So Microblading release forms or medical forms, whatever you want. And then you're gonna click on save. Now, I was having a hard time when I was actually doing this because I just upgraded my system to the new operating system on the Mac, which is the Catalina software. So there is a workaround on that if you guys are having a problem, which I'll give you all that information and I'm gonna put it on the description below. So anyway, once that is done, you should have your PDF file here. If you double click on it, it opens up and it's all right here, all 4 pages. See? Yep, that's what you got to do. Now, there is another video that I'm going to create that is going to show you how to make this PDF editable, meaning that you are going to be able to just click on it and type that information instead of just being able to print it and have your customer write it or write their information. Once you're able to make this editable, you're going to be able to send it to them and they can actually do it from their phone or from their computer and just email you the form. So it's all going to be all digital. Now there's other software out there like DocuSign that you're actually able to do it, but there's a monthly subscription. This is a way for you to avoid all those fees for you to do it yourself for free. Okay, so that's the next video I'm gonna create. Once you have your PDF form, I'm gonna show you on how to make it for you to be able to send it to your customers and for them to be able to type it directly from their computer, smartphone, or tablet. If you guys have any other questions, you guys can send me a message directly and I'll be more than happy to answer your question. The only thing that I do ask is to give us a like on this video, share it, follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram as Millie's Beauty Studio. That is said, guys, I will be creating other content for you guys to help you out in your business, all right? So thank you so much for tuning in and have a good one.